पाकिस्तान इस वक्त मैं एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत फैमिली के साथ खड़ा हूं जिससे कि आप देख रहे हैं निकोलस एंड हिज फैमिली जो कि बेल्जियम से ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं इस खूबसूरत बड़े से ट्रक पे और ये तकरीबन 20 से ज़ायद जो ममालिक हैं उनमें सफ़र कर चुके हैं इस ट्रक पे। इस वक्त इस्लामाबाद में मौजूद हैं और यहाँ से भी इनका जो सफ़र है वो पूरी दुनिया में इनका ट्रैवल करने का प्लान है। तो आपकी इनसे मुलाकात करवाते हैं। हेलो निकोलस।
Hello.
How are you?
We are okay, thank you.
So tell us about your journey, tell us about your stay, you know, in this truck. Tell us about everything.
So we are Belgian family, as you said. We have been on the road for 7 months now with these trucks, coming from Belgium, visiting Bulgaria, Turkey, Georgia, Armenia and Iran before arriving here in Pakistan. And the goal is to travel with our kids to enjoy the time we have with them when they are small.
अब ये करना चाह रही हैं अपने बच्चों के लिए ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं ख़वातीन व हज़रात। तो सिर्फ ये दुनिया बच्चों को दिखाने के लिए कि दुनिया में जो है मुख्तलिफ रंग हैं, ज़ुबानें हैं, लोग हैं, लेकिन सब इंसान हैं और ये अपने बच्चों की जो इस तरीके से तरबियत कर रही हैं। अब इनकी वाइफ से पूछते हैं कि हाउ इज़ इट ट्रैवलिंग विद अस? हाय, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Anaïs.
How is it traveling with Nicholas?
Depends the day. What is really good and important for us is to talk a lot.
Yeah,
and
you get a lot
it's
of
not
time.
possible to fight for a long time anymore.
How is it traveling with your children? You've got 3 beautiful children. Also introduce them. What's her name?
So she's Livia.
She is Livia, and Livia is eating something. Right? This is
Esteban.
Esteban, and this kid is
And this is Santiago.
Santiago. All right. So none of them, although speak English, but I'm sure it must be really difficult to travel with your children, especially.
It is challenging, not difficult.
So tell me something about your beast now. How do you travel with this beast?
We push the throttle and it's going. This beast, we bought it several years ago. We had to redo everything inside. It's a 95 American Ford. Even in Belgium, this is really
Unique.
Special car.
Special. You drive too?
Yeah, sometimes. Here in the motorway.
Only in the motorway.
Yeah, since we left Europe, I drive less because I'm not so at ease with your way to drive. Sorry.
How has your experience been in Pakistan?
Well, we just have been here since 1 week now, and only in Islamabad. And the first days in Pakistan was, I will say, maybe hard for us because we are used to be free and to travel and stop everywhere or where it's allowed to. And here, since Quetta, we are with police escort, and so it's strange for us. Let's say.
That was a bit strange. What about you?
I'll be honest, I'll agree with Anaïs, but what we have seen of Islamabad is really nice. You have a nice city. This park is awesome where we are. It's a really green city, modern, clean also. I will acknowledge that it's really clean and people are very friendly and nice. We feel welcome, so it's really
amazing. It's amazing. All right, now let's show the audience your beast from the inside because I'm sure if any one of you, अगर आप लोगों को भी travel करना है तो ऐसा truck चाहिए आप लोगों को. So आपको truck दिखाते हैं. Let's have a look inside the beast now. जी ख़वातीन व हज़रात, ये देखें इस वक्त ये बीस्ट है जिसके ऊपर ये लोग दुनिया ट्रैवल करते हैं और मेरा भी दोस्त यहाँ पे खड़ा हुआ है। उसने कहा कि मेरी जो वाइफ है मुझे एक बच्चे के साथ ट्रैवल नहीं करने देती दूसरे शहर, तो ये गोरे हैं, ये 3 बच्चों के साथ कैसे ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं। भारत जी वो इस ट्रक पे ट्रैवल करते हैं। आए आपको इस ट्रक को जो है अंदर से भी दिखाते हैं और ये फोर्ड का ट्रक है और बड़ा ज़बरदस्त मजबूत ट्रक है। एंड दैट्स वीव गॉट इलिया हियर अगेन। और यहाँ पे हम ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं। This is Nicholas. Welcome to his home. जी ख़वातीन व हज़रात, इस वक्त हम लोग जो हैं निकोलस के ट्रक में मौजूद हैं और ये ट्रक के अंदर जो है हम आपको जो है इनकी जो तैयारियां हैं सफ़र के लिए वो दिखाते हैं। और अभी इस वक्त जिससे कि देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे एक स्टोव लगा हुआ है और ये यहाँ पे खाना बना सकते हैं, बेसन है और फिर सबसे मज़े की बात अगर दिल करे केक खाने को तो देयर इज ऑल्सो एन ओवन एंड यहाँ पे फ्रिज है और एक फ्रीजर भी मौजूद है। Nicholas, you're carrying your kitchen with you.
Yeah.
That is a must.
It's really nice. We love to travel to eat local food, but from time to time it's nice to cook your own stuff because eating all the time outside is, first of all, it's costly, and secondly, it's we arrive someplace remote in the nature. We can cook everything. It's personal. Also, when you are a bit sick, you need to eat something more healthy or different. You can prepare it. Tea for the morning.
So she's got an extra job to do as well. You've got to drive, you've got to take care of the children, and then also you have to cook now.
But he cooked better than me.
Oh, he cooks better than you. Oh, we're going to try that. What does he cook better?
Everything he's more like he has his mother to learn. So.
Oh, wow. So how do you manage all of this thing? Because you've also got sitting space here. It looks like a cafe here, a little corner of a cafe here. And
where we eat, and where the children sit when we are driving also, because it's important they are faced to the
the front of the road.
And we sleep there. The children sleep on the other side.
Oh God, this is nice. So let's see how comfortable this space is for sleeping. ये यहाँ ऊपर जो है ये ख़वातीन हज़रात यहाँ पे इन्होंने जगह बनाई हुई यहाँ पे ये सोते हैं. But it's amazing. Do you guys fit in there? It looks nice. This looks amazing. Alright, so यहाँ पे भी कुर्सियाँ हैं. ये भी सेटअप बचा हुआ है बच्चों के लिए जो बना हुआ है सेटअप है. इस एंगल से अगर आपको दिखाएं तो आपको बेसिन और जो किचन का सेटअप है ज़्यादा बेहतर अंदाज में जो है दिखाई दे सकता है ख़वातीन हज़रात. और यहाँ पे what's that? That's the shower?
Yeah, we have a shower. This is really specific.
You can show it.
This is shower. It's really specific to American car.
You're tall. How do you fit in there?
Okay, I'll go in it and you see that I just fit in it. Look.
Oh, that's you just fit by a centimeter. That's amazing. This is very nice.
Thing for the kids is also nice.
Right. And you've got the kids' beds here.
Yeah, 3 beds. They have their own beds, their own space.
जी यहाँ पे बच्चे सोते हैं जी. बच्चों के लिए इन्होंने जगह बनाई हुई है सोने के लिए. This is
something also I can explain you. It was important for us that each kids they have their own space. It's kind of their room. They can close the curtain. It's their own space. It was important for us because we took them from a house from comfort, from personal space to put them in something that we are always together. So we decided that this is their room and they can say, okay, now I'm going into my room, close the curtain, and that's their own space. Respect.
This is very good. This is very good, and I can see also a small washing machine. So it's basically you're carrying your own, the whole household needs, everything is here. So anything else you want to tell us about that I can't see, which is something very special?
Here is the toilet.
Oh yeah, the toilet, missed it.
It's separate from the shower, which is really nice.
That's really comfortable.
And it's a dry toilet, in fact. We use wood in the toilet instead of water.
Right. Okay.
Which is very good when we travel because it's organic. We can kind of dump it.
That's fine. And we also have some of the pictures here.
Yeah, it's a memory of travel. When my mother visited, this is Iran, this is Tbilisi in Georgia. We have a few pictures from Turkey, we have some from Norway, Sweden.
We are
Even on
waiting
this
for
side.
yours now.
We'll have one. Inshallah, we'll have one right now.
Yeah,
This is amazing.
And also, what we can say, the table can go down, can move in every position. And like when we crossed the border from Iran to Pakistan, we had 2 French backpackers with us, and they were sleeping there.
Oh.
Because we can convert that to an extra bed in case of.
Oh, you can. Oh, that's
yeah,
very
nice.
nice.
We can have guests. We have a guest room.
they also have a guest room. तो अगर आप इनका मेहमान बनना चाहते हैं तो आप इनसे राब्ता कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे सोएंगे. This is amazing. So okay, finally, so.
And I can also talk about the technical part.
Yeah, of course.
We have a 300-liter water tank just for the inside.
All right.
Which allow us to stay between 5 to 10 days to the same place. which is very
Right.
nice. We have 2 extra battery down the seats there. We link with 3 solar panels, so we are fully autonomous in electricity.
Oh, that's fantastic. The solar panels must be up there.
Yeah, and also since this cooking and fridge is all linked to LPG, if we are full, we can be fully on our own. We have a filter to filter water, so we can take water on the tap everywhere.
That's the water filter there.
And put it there. It's a gravity filter. It works very fine. Even if water is drinkable, we filter it just to be safe.
It's always good to be safe. It's always good to be safe. And I also see a Pakistani flag there.
Oh yeah. It's part of the school. It's part of our learning.
Yeah.
Anais does it, so I will let her explain.
Yes, explain this to us now.
So when we enter a country, in fact, I take the time with the children to learn some words. You know, hello, goodbye, thank you. Just to be allowed to have the first exchange with people, and then we learn all along the time we are in the country with the people some words.
So what words have you written here?
Like salam alaikum, shukriya, Khoda Hafiz.
Okay.
Esteban asked, how would you like to play with us? So he asked to learn, and so we asked one of the military when we crossed the border, how do we say, would you like to play? But I cannot say it anymore. Mere saath kheloge.
Mere saath kheloge. It's just simple. Just break it up. Mere saath kheloge. That's it.
So, yeah.
4 words.
That's quite easy, but you know, we are not learning every day. So
I'm sure. So basically, who teaches the children? You divide that.
Both. We divide.
Both of you divide.
Yeah, we divide. It's here. Papa, Mama. Depending of the day.
ये timetable लगा हुआ है जी, पापा मामा.
So someday I take 2 and Nico has 1, and someday I take 1 and he has 2.
And this is superb. This is superb.
Yeah.
This is amazing. This is amazing. So where are you heading from Islamabad? What's the next destination?
We will go north, try to reach Gilgit and around. But we will see, because we know that it's a lot of mountains.
A lot of mountains.
And this is an old car. So we need to be sure about mechanics. So we will really go slowly, because the goal is also visit small village, meet people, and know about their culture. So about your culture.
This is a very rich culture. And especially you love the hospitality of the people anywhere you visit in Pakistan. Pakistan is actually known for its hospitality.
Yeah, it's really nice. Until now, we already have here the chance to meet people, and this is very nice. We had a very good time with them. So.
I'm sure. Alright, ख़वातीनो हज़रात, ये जी निकोलस एंड इस फैमिली जो है इस वक्त दुनिया का जो है टूर कर रही हैं अपने इस ट्रक पे, और हमने आपकी इसकी मुलाकात करवाई है, और इंशाल्लाह ये पाकिस्तान घूमेंगे. पाकिस्तान पसंद भी आया है इनको, और स्टार्ट में थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम्स हुई थी, लेकिन वो इतनी कोई माइनर प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, इतनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं थी. लेकिन वी वांट टू विश निकोलस एंड हिज फैमिली, हिज वाइफ, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वाइफ, एंड द हैंडसम निकोलस हियर, बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर द फ्यूचर. एनीथिंग यू वांट टू से as a message, anything?
I will say to all Pakistanis, I wish I could do that. Change your dream into a project and you will achieve something. And thank you, Pakistan, for hosting us.
This is amazing. If you want to say anything.
I wanted to say thank you.
He said it.
You took my words.
You can say shukriya.
Shukriya to all of you.
All right, this is Muneeb.